No. I'm not like all these other guys out here. I'm different.
We need to talk.
You look like you gained some weight in your stomach.
Babe, don't you just love Kim Kardashian? She's my role model.
I don't have any money.
You know, I find it really funny.
I'm only gonna play one game.
I'm gonna ask you something, and I need you to be honest with me.
Yeah, I'm still cool with my ex.
So, what's your zodiac sign?
What's that smell?
My friend had something very interesting to say about you today.
You know, you should do your hair like your friend Jackie.
I don't cook.
That's what you're wearing?
I have a question for you.
Babe, don't you just love Future? He's my idol.
No, I don't need a jacket. I'm good.
You know your eyebrows look a little weird.
So I was talking to my friend Mona the other day, and she gave me some advice.
I think we should go 50-50 on all the bills.
Oh, no, I'm fine. I don't want anything. I'll just have a little bit of your food.
I'm not really into the whole commitment thing.
Ew, no, I don't do that.
No, I'm gonna do that. Wha Gwan People, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I just want to say a big shout out to my co-star in that one, Shally. You guys can check her out on Instagram and Spotify. She does some dope music. And I have some big news. I have opened the membership section of the channel. So for those of you who want to become members, you now can. And with that being said, I want to send a big, huge shout out to Duchess, which is my first member. So thank you, Duchess. Shout out to you a million times over. For those of you who do want to become a member, all you have to do is hit the join button, and then you'll be open to the perks, like, you know, some of the new merch. I'm going to be doing some contests about monthly to give some stuff away to the members, and a bunch of cool perks, so go check it out. And be sure to look out for some new skits. I'm getting back to a regular posting schedule, so look out for that. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.